What is up guys, my name is Chase and this is going to be my unboxing of the Elgato Game Capture HD60S Plus. Let's just open it because I'm excited. So I've been trying to perfect my live streams for over 8 years now. Here's some footage of some of my earliest live streams.
Because you're so used to using a keyboard and a mouse, but you have this controller that you're supposed to use.
They look like garbage. But this is gonna be a really big step for me in my live streams. This comes out just like this. Wowee. Look at that presentation. I love it. So inside the box, here is our Game Capture HD60S Plus. It's actually a pretty small little thing. I really like this little form factor, like it literally fits in one hand. We got an HDMI cable, that's always nice to have. And we have a USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. So this one, unlike the early game captures, it uses USB-C to USB 3.0, which is really great. So here's my OG Elgato Game Capture HD. Yeah, I've been using this thing for a really long time now, and after all these years, it still holds up really well. So I don't think I'm gonna like stop using this one. I think this one will be good to have either as a backup one or like, you know, I can have one that's permanently set up on one of the TVs or something. I don't know. I'll find a use for this one, so don't worry. But the really good thing about the HD60S Plus is that it can basically act as a webcam on your Mac or PC, which is basically what I needed. I'll set up the camera to kind of do a test run of this and I'll show you guys how my whole live stream setup works. I'm very excited. Alright guys, so hopefully you can kind of tell what's going on here. I'm literally just holding the camera right now. But we have the Elgato Game Capture HD60S Plus right here. We have our little USB-C cable here. There it is. We're going to plug this into the Game Capture, like so. I have my handy dandy USB 3.0 hub right here. So we plug in our Game Capture like that. And then on the other side here, on this TV, I have my Nintendo Switch dock right here, which we are going to then plug into the Game Capture. Oh, we're gonna go ahead, this is our Nintendo Switch HDMI. We're gonna plug that into our input right here. You can see it says in on the Game Capture. Bang, bang. And then on the other side, we have our output. You can see it says out. We're gonna plug this HDMI into the out, and then this other side goes into our TV. All right, boom, bang, everything is set up. Now, ideally, if we open up OBS here on the Mac, so here's my whole OBS setup. Sweet, there it is, right there under the device, HD60S Plus. Wowee, there we go. I've been working to do this for years. I'm not even joking, so I'm happy right now. Also, the delay isn't bad either. Here, I'm just gonna kind of show the delay here. Keep in mind, this is OBS in real time. We're gonna move the Joy-Con to the right. So we'll go right, right, left, left. So the sync really isn't that bad. It's honestly not even noticeable. This is like a really great time, guys, to go check out my Twitch channel and stuff. I'm probably gonna be streaming a lot more often now because in my opinion, I have a really awesome setup now. I'm so happy about this. I can finally stream consoles. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna continue playing around with the new HD60S Plus. Once again, I'm not trying to force you to do anything, but I'd really appreciate it if you do check out my Twitch channel because this basically changes everything, man. I'm so happy and excited. So make sure you tune in, and if not, I'll probably always have like Twitch highlights here on YouTube. For now, thank you for watching my little unboxing and test of the Elgato Game Capture HD60S Plus. I think it's exclusive to Best Buy, so I'll leave a link in the description. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.